Artistic expression is one of the essential elements for human beings. It allows us to advance as a society and to keep our minds fresh and healthy. It is everywhere, even if we can't notice it. It's in the buildings that we walk through, in the music that we hear, the pictures and paintings that we see, and in hundreds of other places. However, in our daily lives, it seems to be hard for us to realize how necessary it truly is. In my opinion, it's caused by our frenetic lifestyle as a consequence of our big amounts of work. During this quarantine, we've learned to connect with ourselves once again, which has led to millions of products of artistic expression around the world. The main reason for this upturn is the pause that COVID-19 has produced in our, usually, non-stop lives. We've been able to realise how much peace and self-love we're capable of achieving by showcasing our emotions through the different types of artistic expression. This means we're getting time to ourselves. We're getting to know our feelings and to get rid of anger and sadness, often produced by the social distancing we're currently suffering. Everyone has discovered a new way of artistic expression, or, at least, makes use of this area to keep entertained. Ranging from painting, sculpture, music, or theatre, going through the always forgotten types of art, such as sewing. People have been able to find a way to express themselves, or have discovered a type of art they feel identified with. Artists keep doing magic with the unique creativity in the different arts of divisions with increasing devotion due to an increasingly high need of expression and the huge amount of time available. Social media are the main stage for these art pieces nowadays, so many artists have come together to create accounts where they can expose their creations, especially visual elements. The most special thing is that these increasing artistic expression isn't only helping us keep entertained, but it's also helping maintain our mental health. Several studies carried out before quarantine have shown that artistic expression can prevent lots of mental issues such as depression. Moreover, years of research have shown that people suffering depression or anxiety can improve hugely by creating art pieces that depict their emotions. These two mental issues have become really usual these last years, and right now, with self-isolation, the percentages of people suffering one or both of them are increasing. So artistic expression is more important now than ever, and people are clearly noticing. Finally, I'd like to add my personal point of view to this question. I play the violin just for fun. I've been playing it since I was 4 years old, which has led me to a special connection between my feelings and the way I play. I've noticed that, since quarantine started, I've been freeing myself from sadness and burden of every day by playing the violin, and the thing is I'm feeling better than ever when playing. So, in conclusion, COVID-19 quarantine has had a huge impact on the way in which we express ourselves and the frequency in which we have to do so. However, this artistic expression has also led to an incredible impact on our mental health and positivity in this exceptional and tough situation.